Excellent quality. The glass nail files are made of high-quality tempered glass by double-sided etched technology that ensure your nails are kept from splitting and weakening. The glass is strong, wear-resistant, retains the integrity of the filing surface after multiple uses. Color packing. 20 pieces nail files with 10 different high-end gradients color in total, each with a separate piece of cloth, and all in one storage box. Super value package is the ideal choice for you. Easy to carry. The size of the whole nail file is 140 by 12 by 3 mm. It is lightweight, compact and convenient to put in your cosmetic bag, purse or handbag for daily travel, and not only can be used for fingernails but also for toenails, and can be used for salon and at-home use. Reusable, washable. The glass nail file surface is easy to clean and not easy to get dirty, which is repeatedly and durable for use. Hygienic, non-porous glass nail files do not corrode, rust or rot. Safety. Nail care. The double-sided smooth filing surface glass file completes any manicure in any direction without damaging the nail, perfectly shapes natural while leaving them smooth, which can contribute to the good conditions of your nails, while suitable for old people and children. Top reviews from the United States. Love glass nail files. Product was great. It was bit delivered to my home, but someone brought it and put it in my mailbox, so it was not delivered and I would never know where it was and not gotten it along with my other item that was ordered.